Start packing one room at a time to prevent mixed-up boxes and lost items when moving house. Begin in the least used room and work methodically toward the most used spaces so you build momentum and see progress. For each room, sort into 4 piles: keep, donate, recycle, and trash, and move only the keep pile into boxes to reduce transfer of clutter. Use a consistent labeling system on every box that names the contents in the destination room, and mark fragile items clearly while listing key contents on the top and a short index on one side for quick scanning. Keep like by grouping similar items together, such as books, bed linens, or kitchen utensils, and pack heavier items at the bottom with lighter ones on top to protect fragile goods. Prepare a daily essentials box for each member of the household that includes toiletries, one change of clothes, chargers, important documents, and basic cleaning supplies so you do not need to unpack everything immediately. Use uniform box sizes where possible to make stacking and transport safer, and reinforce bottoms with extra tape to avoid overfilling the boxes. 3 common mistakes are starting everywhere at once, which creates disorganization, failing to label clearly, which leads to mixed up boxes, and overfilling boxes causing damage and difficulty lifting. If you begin everywhere at once, slow progress and duplicate effort are likely, so stick to one room at a time and set a timer for focused packing sessions. If labeling is sloppy, keep a simple, repeatable format of room name and 3 to 5 main contents on each box, and update a moving checklist as you go. If boxes are overfilled, use smaller boxes for dense items and leave a little empty space filled with padding to prevent crushing and to keep weight manageable. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting people to professionals who can assist with moving-related services like cleanup, repairs, and installations. On our site, we also help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and facilitating community discussion in our discussion community where members share tips and recommendations.